Hello guys, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe the Dep 420 and also don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for all such great videos.
Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to download the Nova Launcher Prime APK, that too for free. So let's get started. So as basically we'll go to the Play Store and let's check out what the price the Nova Launcher Prime APK takes. So it takes around 100 rupees in Indian currency. So it's basically, if you want you can take it, but if you want free, so you have to go for the link. So the link is in the description. So basically here is the link, so click on it. A website will open up that's called Send Anywhere software I have used. If you want how this software works, so let me know in the comment below. And so basically in this video we'll just download the we'll click on the fast download. So it's basically 3 applications I have given you in this link. So download it and install each one of them.